Hello my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. It depends on where you're watching from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. If this is the first time that you are seeing me, to you, I love you. Consider subscribing when you finish watching. My return subscribers, the people that I'm the username one from my heart, to you, thank you, I love you all. So today I saw a video. First of all, I am here to congratulate YouTube. YouTube, you guys are too much. You guys are too much. And I'm not just going to congratulate you guys with my hand. I have to go and get this for YouTube. YouTube, this is for you. YouTube is for you. But we have to toast for YouTube. And now I will tell you what YouTube is doing that is making me go this far. So YouTube, this is for you. I hope you guys, whoever is watching this video, is taking cheers with me so we can congratulate YouTube for a job well done. I love YouTube. Let me tell you what they did, why I am congratulating them, so that I can give them kudos. I can tell them to keep up the good work that they are doing, that it is making a difference and our people are liking it. I am a Nigerian, for those of you that don't know. And this year, in the next on the 25th, we're going to have election in Nigeria. And there's some group of people that are in diaspora, wherever it is that they are, and getting people at home to delete people at home, doing sit at home. One of them, the main person, is Simeon Ekpa, is staying in abroad in Finland, telling people to sit at home. People are being deleted. People are, in short, something bad is happening to our people because people in abroad are encouraging bad people to go and delete them if they don't do whatever it is that they want while they are sitting in abroad. So after many times, or after many attempts, so a lot of people reported the Simeon Ekpa, and Simeon Ekpa's channel was closed, was deleted. So, and today, and now since they have done a video about that to let you guys know that the videos that you are seeing, old videos. Now, he has criminals like him that live in abroad too, that are doing the same thing that he is doing. Now, what they are doing now is continuing where Simeon Ekpa stopped. So today, I was in this YouTube Shorts. You know, you just keep scrolling. I saw one they call UGM. I saw one they call UGM. he said, why you guys have not seen me in a while is because now this one is in Facebook. He is posting in Facebook. It's because for no reason, YouTube just deleted my channel on Monday. I say, YouTube, now you deleted me on Monday. On Monday, this past Monday, he was taken off of the channel. Everywhere is not Nigeria that don't have rules. When they tell you not to do this, don't do it. But you guys decided because you want to stay. When you are a criminal, it shows wherever you are. When you are a criminal, whatever you are doing, it shows. You will tell through what you are doing. Those people are criminals. But I am here to support YouTube and tell them the other list of people. That one that they just deleted was Simeon Ekpa. Now, UGM. He said it himself that his channel has been terminated since Monday. That he woke up and from nowhere, channel got terminated. YouTube is not going to terminate your channel if you are doing the right thing. YouTube will check what you are doing. And if a lot of people report you, you are gone. So I am here to encourage urge every one of you that love justice, every one of you that love good things, go to their channels. UGM is already gone. Simeon Ekpa is gone. Let me give you the names. Let me give YouTube the other names to check out so they can check them out. Let me give this one they call Critics News. He has 100 and something thousand. Very soon, he will follow Simeon Ekpa and UGM. And guess what? Global News update. That one is going to. See that Global News? He's going to. So, this one is Tassin News. Tassin News. Go to their channels and report every one of them. Because they are deleting our people in the country. And when they want to do those evil ones, they will use the language that YouTube will not. I'm trying to tell you, you guys can hire me to come and interpret what they are saying in the Igbo language in the channel. So whatever it is that they are doing is hurting our people, is deleting our people. They are inciting violence in our country. So on top of Ekpa and a UMG, Critics News is a very stupid person. Global News is another foolish one. Tassin News is another one. Let me give you an example of what this one called Critics News is saying. Let's hear him.
Good afternoon and good evening to you all. Welcome back to Critics News on another edition. Today is the 2nd of February 2023. On us, take the hot. I know say these few days we have not been consistent. We have not been updating you the way we usually do.
They have not been consistent. They have not been updating you the way they usually do. He will tell you why.
Let me inform you guys that it is because of the situation. In fact, I don't even want to lie. I don't like going about telling, my stories and all that, because that's not the reason why I'm here. We are here to, give you updates. But because of some issues we did at the back end, and in course, we know that we never feel come up to come and give you updates, because the way Igbo people they do racism against.
Oh, Igbo people is not doing racism for you. Oh. They are not doing racism. They told you in their platform that they don't want you to do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And if you do that A, B, C, D, F, G, H, my dear, you're going to be taken off. Let's see here.
Black man, especially the name Nigeria. He said the name Nigeria is a curse on humanity. It's a curse on us.
But you live it.
That is why we are trying to disable Nigeria to make sure that we have a responsible nation.
YouTube, did you hear that? They said they are trying to disable Nigeria. What does that mean? That is inciting violence. That is a hate speech. You want to disable a country from abroad. That is a hate speech. YouTube, take notes.
Nation, we are human beings, where you can be proud of. But it is unfortunate that even we have fools within us who are still trying to validate that same country they are complaining about. So if you are part of those people who are trying to validate Nigeria, then you know that you are a fool. That is just the...
Did you hear that?
Just the truth of the matter, because I know what I'm facing. For this Obodo Yibo say, because of say you be black man, let me African man,
nice.
Sure, because you are an African man, an African man, they no go give you house. You feel still owe your money, go they sleep for train station.
Nah, lie.
That happen be that one. So
if you still hold your money, you go to sleep for train station. So you dey sleep for train station, and you haven't even planned yourself well at home and make sure that the country is safe. And you are from abroad where you're sleeping under the bridge. While you're sleeping under the bridge to be causing problem. And now, your name might be in the list of Simeon Ekpa where you no go fit. You will be wanted too. Continue.
So, and some of our people, their wickedness is top notch. They very, very wicked. So, make I just end the matter for there. Make I leave the story. But we're still working to make life better. I'm a man so Muna bear with me because I go they do like
he said YouTube, he said you people bear with me because we go to do like we go to change it. We got to change it so YouTube will not understand. So YouTube, watch Critics News, because Critics News is telling people in Nigeria to cause problem in Nigeria. He's telling people that are believing in Nigeria that they are fools. Let me hear. When I hear, I'll tell you.
NEPA, I go on now.
He said he will be going like a NEPA. NEPA in Nigeria is 1 minute is off, 1 minute is on. So when you want to deceive you, YouTube, you will say it in another language. But if I hear that language that they want to use to deceive you, I will tell you.
Of the other time, so but bear in mind that things never settle. Once things are settled, you will see me say I'll bounce back, and I will still let you guys know what
he said. He's going through some stuff, maybe with his channel. Maybe he hasn't told us yet that once things settle, that he will come back to tell you. His name is on my list that people YouTube should check out. And all of you watching this video that want Nigeria to be good should go to Critics News and report him. Report him as somebody who is inciting violence in Nigeria. Report him. Many people that report him, that's how Simeon Ekpa's channel was deleted. Many people that report him would delete his channel too. Let us go there.
what's going on. All right, so manage like that, and I will tell you guys the story later. They said that
story.
I've not even introduced myself. In case you are following us for the very first time, this is Critics News, and I'm your host, Goodman De Kuruku of Africa and Diaspora.
All right.
Do not forget in a hurry that anywhere you go to and they tell you say easy, may you know say na set up, na they do for there. And there wants to be too. We'll go find out within the app on all these days. We will never feel come up. They bring on an update. Kitty kitty kata kata. They said that February has entered. Yesterday was first and today.
They said February has entered. They said now we are on February. Now people are running kitty kitty kata kata. Let's hear what people are running kitty kitty kata kata for.
Is second. And on the 1st of February, no be small thing happen everywhere. They said that there was an earthquake in Biafra land, which we have deployed the foreman committee to resume investigation into the reason behind that particular earthquake. They brought back a report that Biafra Liberation Army has resumed operations. I'm going to give you the nyafu nyafu load.
Did you hear that? Because Simeon Ekpa said they have put the armies and the police from Biafra that will throw away the police and army from Nigeria. Now he's confirming to you that the police and army that they have put, their criminal people have put. Let's hear what they say.
Of what has been happening, which they are working assiduously and investigating to bring you the update. You get the point now? So let's go straight. Now, they say that in Anambra State, that gunmen in 4 vehicles have attacked electoral body, INEC office in Anambra, plus police division, and killed teenage boy.
My dear, don't let them deceive you. They keep telling you that government is the one attacking INEC. Now lie. They are the criminals that are sending the people that are attacking the INEC. They are the criminals that are saying that there won't be any election. So my people, let me not give him with my little channel. Let me not waste my time. This Critics boy, this Critics News or whatever his name is, I will put him in my channel. Let's make him famous. Let's make him more famous. He's not famous enough. Let's make him more famous by reporting him. When you report him enough, YouTube will delete him. YouTube will definitely delete him. So, and to show you guys by example, I will go and report him. Yes, I will report him. I will report him that he is causing problem in our land. And I'm not a hypocrite. I am Okweme. When I talk, I do. Report this man so that he will be taken off the channel. My lovely people, that's what I'm here to tell you. To congratulate YouTube for a job well done. YouTube, this is for you. For a job well done, for taking all these evil people out of your channel, because they don't know how to respect themselves. They think everywhere is Nigeria where they don't have rules. They think everywhere is Nigeria where nobody, all they care about how much money you have, once you have money, that they let you get away with murder. It's not Nigeria. So now, take all of them out one by one. Take all of them out one by one so our country can have peace of mind. From me to you, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.